kids, I'm Miss Jen and I'm going to show you how to make hurdles. We're going to be using the Kitoodle Pipe Builder Kit to make hurdles that you can use at home. So what we're going to do is you start with the larger 10-inch pipe, and this is the part that you're going to jump over. Let's build some legs. If you want them to be, we can do mid-size. So you're going to have 2 legs for the hurdle. So let's get the other side. That looks like that about matches. And we'll do that, but how can we connect the two? I think we're going to need an L-shaped fitting. So let's look at our different fittings here. Which one looks like an L shape? Let's see. This one. This one looks like an L shape. So let's fit this one together with the leg. Okay. And the other side. Let's get another L shape and put that together on the leg. And there we have it. Oh no! It's not very stable, is it? So I think we should build some legs here. We'll build some feet, actually. Let's build some feet here. So I think what could be helpful is if we have a T-shaped fitting, and the T-shaped fitting can fit right here. One on this side, and one on this side. And try and make sure that the holes go to the front and the back. So now it's more stable, right? But it's still a little bit wobbly. What do you think we can do to help that? What about adding 2 smaller pieces? I have these that are 1/4 of the size. They're 2.5 inches. And we can add them to our feet. So now we have bigger feet. What do you think of that? What about the other side? Let's add feet to the other side. And there you have it. There is a little hurdle for you to run over, for you to jump over. And let's say we want to make it a little bit longer. We can also make it a little bit longer. Let's see. If you take this apart and you want to make it longer, what can we use? How about a coupling? These are called couplings. So if you want to put 2 pipes together, you use a coupling, and you can fit these 2 together. And there you have it. There's your hurdle. With the Kitoodle Pipe Builder Kit, you can build up to 3 different hurdles. So what I did is I tried something a little bit different. I used the 5-inch pipes here instead, and they are half the size of this, so you can have a shorter jump. And then you can also use the 5-way connector here. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes here, and you can use those for the base, for the feet. And you can also use multiple couplings if you wanted to make the top even longer. So there you have it, 3 different hurdles. You can have 2 jumps, 2 smaller jumps, and 1 larger jump. And you can do this all with the Kitoodle Pipe Builder Kit. Woo! Be sure to hit subscribe if you want to see more how-to videos. You can buy the pipe kit at kitoodleshop.com, and be sure to follow us on social media at Kitoodle. Kitoodle, igniting imaginations.